Salvate me, brought me where I am. Let that oil, as you hear my voice now, as I decree, as I declare, that oil, you are the next. I say receive it. That oil will fall upon your head. Or anywhere you are, under my voice. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, carry the oil. Carry the oil, the other half. Holy Ghost. Yes, one after the other. Look for them, look for them, look for them. Look for them, carry the oil. Carry the oil. Receive the oil. Receive the oil. Yes, yes, yes. Receive the oil. 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 Sister, receive the oil. Receive the oil. Mama, receive the oil. 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 Yes, receive the oil. Receive the oil. Receive the oil. Receive the oil. That oil is for you. Take the oil. Yes, yes, yes. You are the nurse. Yes, receive the oil. Receive the oil. Receive the oil. Oil of laughter. Receive it. Receive the oil of laughter. Receive the oil of laughter. Receive the oil of laughter. Oil of laughter. Oil of laughter. Take it. Take it. Take the oil of laughter. Receive the oil of laughter. Receive the oil of laughter. Receive it. Receive it. Receive the oil of laughter. Receive it wherever you are. That is the laughter. Laughter for you. Receive it. Receive it. Receive it. Receive it. Yes. Receive it. That oil of laughter. That oil of laughter. Receive it now. The door is open. The door is open. The door is open. That is laughter for you. That is laughter for you. At the count of seven. At the count of seven. You are receiving the key. The key of laughter. The master key. You open the door. The door will open now. And the key comes up with you. Where are the people in this session? One. Number one, connect it. Yes, number two. The door is open. Number three. Number four. Where is number five? Yes, 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 yes. Where is number six?